All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Minnesota today. I am riding the Paul Bunyan Trail. This is one of the longest paved trails in the country. This is my second day riding. Yesterday, I rode out of my RV park in Nisswa, and I rode to this little town, which I think is pronounced Backus. If there's a visitor center, I may go in just to double check on that pronunciation. It seems like I am often mispronouncing the names of towns. It's pretty easy to do. And today I am riding from Backus to a town called Walker. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I am just getting started on the Paul Bunyan Trail. This is my second day riding. Started in Backus. And the first person I'm finding is another triker. Hey, how you doing? Good. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Mark.
Mark, very nice to meet you. So he said his name was Mark. He's riding an ETAD. Hackensack, Minnesota, home of the original chainsaw carving event. All right. So I'm going to go around here. So this is a lake. I don't know who this is, but it looks like there's a pier and a dock and water access for boats. So I just stopped in at the visitor center here in Hackensack. I love visitor centers. They're always so nice. You know, they almost know the question you're going to ask before you ask it. So I was worried about my pronunciation of Backus, but it turns out that is correct, which is kind of surprising because I usually get it wrong. And I'm sure people would be correcting me on my video, but I don't need to apologize. I'm actually pronouncing it right. So what I forgot to ask the lady in the visitor center is about that statue of the woman, and I'm seeing it here on this sign, and it says Lucette and the city of Hackensack, thank you for visiting. So apparently her name is Lucette. Yeah, it looks like we're at another trailhead and entering the Chippewa National Forest. I don't know what the name of this town is. It didn't say, or at least I didn't see it. I have come to a fork in the road. So it looks like I've got a choice here. I can take the Shinglebee Connection trail. Walker, the town of Walker, is 6 miles straight ahead. Or I can continue on the trail, the Paul Bunyan Trail, through the Chippewa National Forest section. I don't know how far Walker is from here. Here's another sign. Does it say? No, it's just via the Heartland. I guess we'll continue on. This seems like the main trail they're pointing to. So we're going to go to Walker via the Heartland. Maybe I'll go the other way on the way back. So it's 8.5 mile trail, maybe challenging, rolling hills and curves with grades reaching 8%. So it's 9 miles long and Oh my gosh, it's 15 miles to Walker. It's kind of a lot. That'll make my turnaround 30 miles. So I think that that's going to help make my decision. I'm going to turn it around and go the other way. Be nice to do this at some point, but that's going to make my ride well over 60 miles, which is kind of a lot for me, more than I planned on, that's for sure. Okay, so this is the Shinglebee Connection Trail to Walker via Leech Lake. 6 miles to Walker. And so I've turned this ride around, and I'm going to be on a very lightly traveled road for just a half mile or so before I can get back on the Shinglebee, I think it's called Shinglebee Connector Trail that will take me back to the Paul Bunyan Trail. Really, really pretty here. I'm going to turn it around, show this side. So I am heading back, and it's a pretty strong tailwind, and I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I've got like just a bunch of flying, I don't even know what these are. They're not flies, they're not bees. And, you know, I'm going like 12, 14 miles an hour, and they're keeping up. And I imagine they're riding this tailwind, which is probably more than 13 miles an hour. But yeah, I got company. I seem to have lost the flies or whatever they were that were following me. I had a big swarm. They moved on. Hopefully forever for the rest of the ride. All right, yes, I'm coming to the end of this ride. Back to Backus, where I started, where my truck is parked. But yeah, let me know what you think of the Paul Bunyan Trail, this section of it. I will have completed from Niswa to Walker and back. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe. Give my channel all the love you can. Be safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next time.